What's going on YouTube? Modeling Not Back at you with another build update of the F-15. So as you can see, got the engines all completed. So let me lock that focus in since it decided to be silly. So got these all pretty much finished up. Happy with how the weathering is on these, so pretty much going to leave it as is. For the paint on the outside, I used the Model Master Titanium while I still have that available. Still frustrated the fact that they've decided to go out of business or stop making them, but you know what, I'll move on and find something different. So use the titanium, kind of polish that up here around the ring. For the weathering itself, I used Flurry Wash the sand color. So come in here and see a nice gritty, grimy look. Again, this would have been, an aircraft that would have been relatively in country for a little while is what I'm going with. Not exactly a showbird, but not completely beaten all up either. So have that one, and then we have the other engine here, pretty much all ready. And then just lightly polished up with a good old Q-tip. Dollar Tree special on those, obviously, just to save a little money. So again, absolutely love the way these come out. Those things are going to look awesome sticking out the back of the aircraft. So setting those to the side, the other thing that I got finished up tonight is the GBU-12s. So basically these are Mark 82 dumb bombs that then had a new nose and tail system put on them. So if you take a look at actual pictures, it has the old olive drab, which for that I actually went ahead and used Tamiya's XF62 olive drab for this main body section. I then took and masked up the entirety of that section and then sprayed Mr. Hobby's 304, which is olive drab weapons, for the nose and the tail to give that nice two-tone effect that you see on the real thing. So I'll go ahead and slide over here all of them so you can kind of see them all in situ. Now I do still need to put the nose on, but those I'm going to have to hand paint just because of the clear part. So at this point though, these are practically done and just gonna get set off to the side out of the way. So really short update today for you guys. Just wanted to provide you guys with a quick update, but you kind of see some of the paintwork finally going on to these, and we'll be moving along here shortly. So hope you guys are enjoying the series, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.